Okay, we have a monkey and it has a mass and a tree but we know how to deal with the free body diagram. We don't need to draw anything. We have this system. The next example, page 2 down, and we have the mass here. We have this left hand. This is the right hand, maybe. And the angles are given, and this is the y-x plane. We have the weight downward. This angle is 20. This angle is 60. What I need to find? I draw the XY plane to make it more simple to you. I have the tension in this hand and the tension in this hand. This is T left or T1, and this is T2. This is 60. This is 20. This is the weight downward, should be. And in this case, I have X forces and Y forces. Just I need to find the component. This is T1 cosine 20, and I have it here, T1 sine 20. Here I have T2 sine 60. Here T2 cosine 60. Don't put the minus sign. I have the direction to the negative X direction, but I need the magnitude. I use the cosine because I have that 60 degrees from that direction. So I use that cosine with that direction. I have the weight here. Now, forget any plane. You can find T later. Now I have Fy, total Fy is equal to 0, which are this and this, T1 sine 20 plus T2 sine 60 minus the weight. It is equal to 0. And the total forces for X is equal to 0, which is to the positive. It is T1 cosine 20 minus this one, T2 cosine 60. I need to organize them. I have two equations with two unknowns, T1 and T2. Later you can find, I'll put it here, okay, here. T1, T2, it is given, T1, 870 something newtons, T2, 1505 something newtons, right? You have them, they are already here. You don't need to write anything, just your notes. The next page, we will see a roof of the building, and we have a string. There's a question like that on the lab. And you have a circular thing here, which is a pulley machine, and you have a string. You have a weight. Assume the weight is given, I think. It is 49 newtons, 490 newtons. What is the tension here? It is the same. What is the tension here? It is the same. The tension is moved with the string because it is not fixed, it is moving. Okay? And do we have any string here or something here? I don't need to draw anything. You know that without any experiment. What I need to do now, the next page.